It's hard to believe that this is a 2000 SCM T110 shaper. It is extremely clean. Great cosmetics. Great mechanics as well. Let's start with a spindle, 1 1/4 inch spindle. You have 5 5/8 inches under the threads. It does raise and lower as it should, no issue. Does have a spindle lock. You're going to take and rotate your spindle. Until it catches. Obviously you have your E-stop, off, on. You do have a working foot brake. For reverse, you are simply going to twist this. Your indicator light will go on, and then you are going to push your start button. Nice and quiet. You do have a numeric readout for that spindle as well. If we open it up, you're gonna see there's a 4.8 kilowatt motor underneath. This also includes a Delta 1 horsepower feed. Brand new, I believe they're 60 durometer rubber tires on this feeder. And if you look, you can shift between a rabbit and turtle, so slow and fast. And finally, here are your reverse speeds. You're also going to get the original toolbox, a spare belt, your nut, a set of spacers, your hold downs. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.